Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ben, and today I'm starting a challenge that I'm going to do for the entire year. A motivational reading specially designed for young men and adults who need a boost of strength, discipline, and confidence to move forward. Why am I doing this? There are two main reasons. First, I want to learn to speak English for real. I don't know how to speak English yet, or I know very little. I am embarrassed about it, but I don't want to stay like this. Recording this video, reading out loud, slowly practicing pronunciation, and improving day by day is my way for is my way of forcing myself to progress. Every day I'm going to read in English even if I make mistake, even if I sound strange at first. If you are also learning English or another language and you feel frustrated or alone, this channel is for you. Let's improve me. Let's improve together. Second reason, I want to support the men who need it. Life isn't easy. Many of us men feel pressure to be strong, to provide, to not fail. But something we fall, we get tired, we doubt ourselves. This reading will be a reminder that you are strong, that you can get back up, that you are enough just as you are while you keep growing. I'm not an expert. I'm not a famous coach. I'm not a famous coach. I- I'm just a normal man who wants to share words that motivate me and that I hope will motivate you too. If you can relate, stay. Subscribe if you want to receive this dose of motivation and see how I improve little by little. At the end of each video, you can comment what made you feel strong today, or cheer me off, or cheer me on if you want to help me out. Now, let's start with reading number one in English. The theme is starting strong. Take a deep, take a deep breath and listen carefully. You wake up. The day is new. You are a man, a real man. Life is not always easy. Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you want to quit. But you do not quit. You stand up. You are stronger than you think. Inside you there is power. Big power. The power to keep going. The power to fight. The power to build. You have it. If it is yours, no one can take it from you. Today is your day. Look in the mirror. See the man looking back. That man is strong. That man is brave. That man works hard. He helps his family. He protects the people he loves. He learns from mistakes. He grows every day. Think about this. Every great man starts small. Every strong man fell down many times, but he got up again and again. This what makes him great. That is what makes you great. You do not need to be perfect. No man is perfect. You just need to try. Try hard. Try again. Small steps. One step today. One push. One decision to be better. Discipline is your friend. Wake up early. Do the hard work. Train your body. Train your mind. Train your mind. Say no to easy things. Say yes to what matters. That is real things. Strange. Your family sees you. Your family sees you. Your friends see you. They see a man who doesn't now give up. They see a man who leads. Be that man. Be the example. When fear comes, face it. When doubts come, fight it. When pain comes, just it. Pain makes you stronger. Hard days make you better. Every challenge is a dance. Every challenge is a chance to grow, a chance to win. Today, take a deep breath. Feel the power inside you. Say this word out loud. I am strong. I am enough. I can do hard things. I will keep going. I am building my future. Now walk forward, one step, then another. The mountain is big, but you climb it step by step, day by day. You will reach the top. And when you do, you will look back. You will smile because you did it. Because you are the strong man. You are not alone. Many men are on the path. We all fight. We all grow. We all rise. You are not one of you. You are one of us. Keep going. Keep going, brother. You are strong. You are enough. Start today and never stop. That was our reading number one. How did it, how did you feel? I'm practicing my English and even thought I make mistake. I know I've taken a step forward. We'll continue tomorrow. We'll continue with reading two, building discipline. If this helped you, give it like, subscribe and comment below. I am strong. Comment below I am strong. Thank you for being here. Keep going, brother. See you tomorrow.